So this proposal by World Athletics to tamper with the long jump event, deciding to now measure the distance of the jump from the point at which the jumper takes off within a specified zone, instead of measuring strictly from the tip of the takeoff board. This is supposedly aimed at creating more excitement and producing more spectacular performances for an event with a world record that has stood since 1991. But while the intentions are clear and noble, this change would simply create an easier path to big performances and world records for future and present jumpers. Now, first of all, there will be basically no takeoff board pressure on the jumpers. No need to be overly precise. Just stay in the zone, jump, and the jump will count. And the easing of that mental pressure and the removal of that technical specificity make it much easier than the traditional long jump event. This is now like a brand new event. We're going to call it the boardless jump. Yes, which is different from the real jump. Yeah, man, the boardless jump. You just jump from anywhere. Jump.